Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Parimala, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, first sem, and today let's study about Python, and my topic is program on calculation of variance. Introduction to the program on calculation of variance. Variance is a measure of dispersion of data with respect to the mean value of the data. It tells us how the data is dispersed in the given data value. This program is designed to calculate the variance of given set of number. Variance function should only be used when variance of sample needs to be calculated. Getting started with the program. To start the program, open the software of ideally Google Colab, Visual Studio or Jupyter Notebook where you will be writing the code. To calculate variance function, calculate the variance of a list of numbers given the mean. Begin by importing any necessary libraries or modules for mathematical calculations. Collecting input from the user. Prompt the user to enter the dataset for which we need to calculate the variance. Ensure that the user provides the data in the required format such as comma, separated values or a list. Store the inputted data in a variable for further processing. Calculating the mean. Before calculating the variance, we need to find the mean of the data set. Use a formula or built-in functions to calculate the mean of the data set. Store the mean values in the separate variable for future use. Calculating the variance. The next step is to calculate the variance of the dataset. Variance measures the average squared deviation of each data point from the mean. Use a formula or built-in functions to calculate the variance and store it in a separate variable. Calculate the standard deviation. Finally, we calculate the standard deviation using the various values obtained in the previous step. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. Apply the appropriate formula or utilize a built-in function to calculate variance. Here is the program to calculate mean, variance and standard deviation. First we have to calculate the mean, return the sum numbers and calculate the variance. Here also return the sum as x minus mean of to the power of 2 for x in numbers. And to calculate standard deviation, math into square root into variance. Def main, we have to input the number of elements, and for inputting numbers we have to add n. For that we have to write the float and enter the number I plus 1 for I in range n. To calculate mean into numbers. To calculate variance numbers into mean. For standard deviation, calculate standard deviation into variance. Then we have to print the results like end results, f mean, f variance, f standard deviation, and we have to finally write the if name is double equals to main. Displaying the output or result. After calculating, it is important to display the output to the user. Format the result to a suitable number of decimal places for better readability. Print or display the variance value on the screen. Testing and debugging. Test the program with the different data sets to ensure accurate and readable results. Debug any errors or issues that may rise during the testing phase. Make necessary adjustments to the code for improved functionality. Conclusion. Here we conclude that this program provides a simple and efficient way to calculate the variance of a data set. This is about the calculating about variance. Thank you.